Okay, so I really am super excited about this. It's really ridiculous actually how excited I am about this. But we have wanted a pressure washer. Actually, I should say I've wanted a pressure washer for a little bit now so I could wash the cars with. And of course a foam cannon, because why have a pressure washer without a foam cannon? So here it is. I did a lot of research. There were 2 or 3 that I was going back and forth between, but this one seems to have probably the best reviews as far as what I could find. It's the Sunjoe SPX3000. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and an assembly, and then I'll do another video where I'm actually using it. The main reason why this is sitting here right now is because when we were going to Las Vegas, we went the northern route to come home, and we went through Colorado, and it had been snowing, and our truck and trailer are absolutely filthy. They're disgusting. So we're gonna put this bad boy to the test and see what happens. But with this, for these purposes, we're gonna unbox this and put it together. So there are pieces. Looks like where the wand goes, probably where the hose goes, and then this is probably where the hose lines up. Here's the actual wand. Smells like stinky plastic in here. Here's the handle. The rest of the wand, the cardboard. There's all the nozzles. This one actually has 5 different nozzles for various things. And as a noob, the research that I've done, the 40 degree is the one to use for cars, I believe. Here is the hose, which I can't remember. I think it's 35 feet. No, that doesn't look right though. I don't really know. It probably says on here. Yeah, maybe not. I know the power, maybe it's the power cord that's like 35 feet. Maybe that's like 20. I'm gonna set this on the floor and take it out of there because it's too tall. And here's the actual unit itself. It does have wheels on it, so that would be great to wheel it out in the driveway. Some instructions. The first piece that the instructions say is to slide on the handle that is for the wand, and slide on the handle for the wand, and it actually goes over here. So it just slides on until it clicks. It doesn't have a screw or anything. There are 6 screws that it came with, 2 long ones, 2 short ones, but they go for various other things. So then the next part, it looks like, is these are where the 4 large screws go. Slides. Uh-oh. Let's see what that is. There's something. Oh, no, that's the. Oh, that's not. No, I guess it's not. There's a broken piece of plastic, and I'm still trying to figure out where it came from, so. Alright, so this just slides on like so. The detergent things were already in place. Although it gives directions in here. about those. We're gonna put these screws in here. I'll turn it around so I can get my right hand to it. It looks like there's two on the bottom. Just attach this. Alright. That's the detergent tube, which I connected. Then, it's like on the right side of the unit. Down here, this little thing goes on like so. Oh. There we go. One of the small screws goes in it. Then this is for the hose. It's the hose holder. Which it looks like it goes here in the front. And there's one screw for it as well. Trigger gun and the spray wand. So this is the spray wand. This is the trigger gun. It just screws in. Comes with a cap to protect the threads. Do not point the nozzle at people, pets, or electrical devices. Serious injury can result. Mia, I guess we're not going to be giving you any baths with this. Not like we would have done that anyway. Alright. Okay, well, we found some mark cutters. So we can try to get through here. Alright, so one side goes to the gun. And the other side goes to the back. Make sure it's not all tangled up, because that's going to be a major pain if it is. It is going to be tangled up. There we go. I don't know how I cut myself, but I did. Okay. And this is the last piece. We'll have to read about it because I think there's a way to purge the system. I assume this one will, you have to do that, I'm not sure. Oop, that stays in there. I think you have to just run water through the system, possibly. Quite tough to just line them up just right to begin with, to hold your mouth right, which I'm obviously not doing. It's all assembled. The wand goes over here on the side. Guess it just drops down in there possibly. And the hose goes on the front, which we'll have to work on that. We'll have to uncoil it to make that happen, but that's it. It's ready to test. I do have a foam cannon that I got as well. Actually, we do need to put this nozzle on there too. Like I said, I think the 40 degree is the right one, actually, for washing cars. And it's just a quick connect, so it just snaps right on. So this is the foam cannon that I got, and actually I should mention I got all of this on Amazon, so I'll put links to them below. So here's the foam cannon. It's the MTM Hydro, and I did a little bit of research on it as well. So anyway, there are obviously some more expensive ones out there. This one was not super cheap. I think it was like, I don't know, 50 or 60 bucks, I guess, but it's the MTM Hydro. It's a professional foam cannon, and here's what it looks like. It has nice measurements on the side of it, and the fan opening, and the sub controller, or the soap controller, I guess it is. We'll have to test it out and see how it goes. The other thing I bought is because we just had normal car wash stuff. Like, I had bought some that was pH neutral, so I could use it on things that had coatings, which we don't have any like ceramic coatings or anything like that on ours. We just have ones that are spray-on coatings, but you're supposed to treat those the same way. But anyway, we only had normal soap, so I did buy this. It's the Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, and from everything I've read and watched, I think that it foams up more than anything else, and so that's what I want, is for it to foam up and catch the dirt. And I mean, let's be real, also for number one, for you to be able to see where you sprayed it. Number two, it's just more fun, I think, to cover the car in that. I haven't done that yet, and I'm looking forward to it. So, all right, that's it. I guess the next video you'll actually see it trying to tackle the snow and salt, and we think it's sand, actually, not salt, that they put on the roads in Colorado, apparently, and it's all over the truck and trailer. So, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. I'm super excited to use it, and we'll hopefully be something that I start using to wash the cars with, especially over these winter months. and it'll make everything easier. We will be having more builds and that sort of thing now that our schedules have died down a little bit. We do still have one more race. We'll be going to Barber to a chump car race, or champ car it is. So we do have one more race this year, but then the rest of the time it's just going to be us working on the projects here. We are going to be working on the Camaro. We are probably going to finish up the Turbo Miata because we have some plans for it as well. And so there will be some things going on. So stay tuned.